Blood flowed freely in Valenzuela City today. The bloodletting activity was conducted by the Philippine Red Cross in cooperation with the city government. Sweden Velado was there and she filed this report.
Rainy season has begun, and it is during this time that mosquitoes breed, especially in dirty water. That is why it is essential that we prepare for cases of dengue and ensure we have enough supply of blood in case of emergency.
Ngayon lalo na prepare sa mga disaster at yung mga dengue, mga rainy season ngayon. So we are prepared sa mga nandugo.
The Philippine Red Cross, in partnership with Valenzuela City, quarterly conduct bloodletting programs with the theme Dugong Alay, Dugtong Buhay.
Sa panahon ngayon, kailangan talaga ng dugo ng tao. Kaya yun yung isang pangunahing programa ng inyong lingkod na makapagtawid ng buhay sa magitan ng pagdodonate ng dugo.
The bloodletting activity is open to any volunteers who want to donate blood. They just need to meet all the requirements and pass the medical screening test of Red Cross.
Ang donor kailangan 18 and above sila. We have screening, kailangan normal lang sila at hindi sila puyat. And then may mga screening din naman kami sa mga, yung halimbawa, for example, bawal ang may tattoo, yung mga nakainom ng before the donation, kulang sa tulog, yun ang mga kailangan ang blood pressure nila is normal.
PRC Valenzuela targets to collect 300 blood bags every 3 months for the People's Television. This is Sweden Velado.